Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can activate and insert slide notes or presentation notes for presentations you create and edit on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me go with that blank page here of the presentation. It doesn't have to contain any content for this method, because you can activate the notes by left clicking into this button in the bottom left, presenter notes. This is going to open up that tab. So here you can, for example, navigate to the given page. Well, you can navigate through pages of your presentation at the bottom and you will see the page notes to the left. You can also click into this button and change the font size or text size for these notes. And then guys, you can start typing your notes here. There's also the built-in AI note generator here on Canva. You can click into this. For example, if your slide contains text or images, and Canva will then generate these notes based on the given slide or page content. And that's it. You have up to 5,000 characters for these notes. And that's how it works, guys. So, I don't know, let me type in, for example, ABC123, and that would be the presenter note for this slide here. You can click into this drop-down menu below and, for example, ask the Canva to, for example, continue these notes, to decrease their length, to rewrite them for you. That's how it works. So let me delete this. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a fantastic day.